Could use another winter storm, and we're going to have one that gets close, but unfortunately close is just not going to cut it here in New Mexico, as we would really like to get one to come right through the state. Here's a look at Cloudcroft, where we have a very nice afternoon in progress. Right now temperatures in Cloudcroft in the low 50s, so a very comfortable afternoon with just a few high clouds streaming through the sky. Meanwhile, in the Albuquerque metro, 63 degrees the current temperature, a west wind at 15 miles per hour. Temperatures across the north in the 50s and 60s for the most part, down to the south into the 60s and even reaching the 70s already for a few locations. 72 in Alamogordo, 71 in Carlsbad, 72 in Hobbs. It is going to be another warm afternoon, but these warm temperatures will be coming to an end as we bring in a cold front later on tonight. And as that cold front sweeps through, we're also going to be kicking up the winds right now, dealing with some moderately windy conditions. 28-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Santa Fe, 24 in Albuquerque, 35 over in Las Vegas. But these winds are going to boost up through the afternoon into the evening and peak through the overnight hours tonight. We do have high wind warnings in effect for the central portions of the state, and that does include the Albuquerque metro area for gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Wind advisories in these areas shaded in yellow, where we can see gusts up to 50 miles per hour. And the highest winds that we'll be seeing will be later on tonight as our storm system passes to our north. You can see that those winds really start to crank up across the four corners through the evening hours, and eventually those shift into the eastern portion of the state, especially just east of the central mountain chain for tomorrow morning. And throughout the day tomorrow, we'll start to see those winds come down. We'll have breezy conditions once again for Friday, but definitely the highest winds as that storm passes to the north through the overnight hours tonight. And that storm right now located just to our north and west, snow showers developing over Utah, and a lot of these snow showers will continue to make progress to the east, but unfortunately those snow showers mainly in the state of Colorado, missing much of New Mexico. So we will be watching for the windy conditions on the bottom side of this storm system for us tonight. We could get some snow showers as far south as the San Juans of Colorado, but as for the northern mountains, we'll be doing good if we can get an inch at the most, and we'll be ushering in that colder air through the overnight. So tomorrow you'll definitely notice a cool down from today's highs as we look at temperatures a good 15 to 20 degrees cooler for tomorrow than what you'll see today, but they'll quickly rebound into the end of the week. So if you love the mild weather, well, they'll be back by the weekend. Southern Colorado temperatures into the 50s for this afternoon with partly cloudy skies. Could see a couple of those spot showers, especially through the overnight hours, and that's mainly over the San Juan Mountains. We'll dry back out through the day tomorrow. Temperatures only in the upper 30s before rebounding a bit into the weekend. Over the northwest, breezy conditions for this afternoon. Highs in the 50s and 60s, down to the low 40s for Thursday, but then quickly back to the mid 50s by the weekend. Over the southwest, mix of sun and clouds, highs into the 70s for this afternoon. We'll cool down here by Friday into the mid 50s, and we'll start to recover those temperatures over the weekend and back into the low 60s for early next week. Over the southeast, breezy conditions here as well. Highs into the 80s for some locations. In fact, Carlsbad near 90 degrees this afternoon, but we'll make it back down to the low 60s for Thursday behind that cold front, but we'll quickly recover those temperatures back into the 70s by the weekend. Over the northeast, windy conditions, gust up to 45 miles per hour, temperatures into the 60s to near 70 degrees, mid 40s for Thursday, and then back to the mid 50s for Friday and Saturday, near 60 for Sunday. Over the northern mountains, partly cloudy skies, winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour. A mild day today, but we'll see those temperatures drop to the low 40s in Santa Fe for Thursday before back into the 50s for Saturday and Sunday. Over the east mountains, winds will be gusting up to 40 miles per hour, temperatures into the low to mid 60s. In the metro, we'll top out near 70 degrees this afternoon, and then we see those temperatures drop into the upper 40s for tomorrow before rebounding those temperatures over the weekend. And of course, the highest winds for us will be felt through the evening and the overnight.
Okay, thanks, John.